Are your knees screaming every time you stand up? Do your legs feel stiff, weak, or just not what they used to be? Here's the truth. Knee and leg pain doesn't have to be your new normal. And today, we're showing you how to fight back naturally. In just 2 minutes, you'll discover simple remedies and exercises that seniors everywhere are using to ease pain, improve strength, and get moving again. No fancy equipment, no expensive treatments. You'll learn the morning leg stretch that melts stiffness in under a minute. A 3-ingredient DIY oil for instant knee comfort. A chair exercise that strengthens your joints without pressure. And the daily 5-minute routine doctors wish more seniors knew about. Whether it's arthritis, old injuries, or muscle weakness, these simple moves and natural remedies are safe, gentle, and surprisingly effective. Don't let knee and leg pain steal your joy or your independence. Take control with these simple steps because you deserve to walk with strength and confidence every single day. Hit that like if you're ready to feel better. Subscribe to Fit Vibe for more natural healing tips. And stay tuned till the end to follow along with our easy 5-minute Fit Vibe routine.